Hello. In this video we're going to make a remake of our test run video for our new 390E train. When we initially set this train up, we had 7 of the new Lionel 11-30017 Ivory and Peacock Reefer Cars 514Rs, and I had 2 of the earlier run MTH Ivory and Peacock Reefer Cars. Problem is the ivory color on the earlier MTH cars is just a little bit darker than the ivory on the new Lionel cars. Me being a little bit too much of a perfectionist, for my own good, I went ahead and bought 2 more of the new Lionel cars. So now we have a matching 10-car train, 9 of the 514R cars and the Caboose for a 10-car train. This is the Lionel 11-1062-1 390E, as you see with the orange stripe. See here in the middle of the layout are the 2 earlier MTH cars. So if you look close as the train goes by, you can see the difference in the color between the new cars and the old cars. It's not much of a difference, but again, me being too much of a perfectionist for my own good, I had to go ahead and get 2 more of the new cars so the whole train matches. Alright, hope you enjoyed our little video here, and we'll talk to you another time soon.